Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to open 12 more packs of Phantasmal Flames and see what we can get. See if we can find any more miscut cards, because I was actually re-watching my last video and I missed a card that was miscut. So I kind of want to see if I can finish the line that it's supposed to be on. So let's get to ripping. Let's see if we can get some first pack magic. I'm gonna start with electric. And just a regular hollow. Move on to pack number 2. I'm gonna kind of be quiet in this video. I don't want to be too loud. I'm not feeling too hot today, so here's your code card. Another electric energy. Let's get to working. Oh, it's the Mega Charizard. It's not the special illustration work, but still, I got the Charizard. Nice. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy sleeved right on up. Let y'all look at that one more time. I think that's my first Charizard card, actually. Actually, it is. That's my first Charizard. Let's see what we can get from pack number 3. Good card. And we're going to get a darkness, I believe that is. Nice. The Rotom. Not too bad. Let's get him sleeved up. If I can get it in the sleeve. There we go. Get one more look at it. Not too bad. Alright. Pack number 4. Code. We'll start with Steel Energy. Let's see what we can get. Just a regular hollow. Zation. Number 5. Oh, we got Gengar on the front. I haven't really been paying attention to what's on the front of them. Oh, Charizard. I like that one. That one's kind of cool. There's that. Start with darkness. Or Piplup. Zigzagoon, Mischievous, Charmeleon. I'm not sure what that one is. Or that one. Oh, I kind of like that one. I like that artwork. That's nice. Crocodile. And just a regular hollow. A Genesect again. And let's go with Charizard next. Maybe the Charizard will have a Charizard. Another one. There's that for you. And dark. Let's go. Holy moly. Oh my. That's a special illustration rare. Oh, nice. It's my first one out of the pack, out of the set. I like that. So we get the regular EX and the special illustration rare to go with it. Let's get this one sleeved right on it. And give you one last look-see. I like that. Centering on this one's actually pretty good. Surface area looks good as well. Nice. Alright. Charizard, you didn't let me down, buddy. Alright, let's do the Megalopony. There's that for you. Electric. Let's get to it. Nice. And Pollyon. Not too bad. Let's get it sleeved right on that. If I can get it in there. There we go. Nice and Pollyon. Alright, got another Megalopony. Let's start with a water energy. And a regular hollow. We'll do Gengar. There's your card. Grass. Let's see what we can get. And just regularization. The hollow. Alright, we got 3 more packs to go. So we'll do this one. I've got 2 of these and 1 more Charizard. So we'll open this one. We'll open the Charizard last. Maybe he'll have some last pack magic. Let's see what we can get from this one. Nice. It's Hunter. Just a regular hollow. Toxicity tree. At least I'm getting better at opening packs. I remember when I first started opening packs, I struggled. Fire energy. And there's a cat trying to break into my room. Anybody with cats, you'll understand. Closed door policy doesn't exist around them. Just a regular hollow. Alright, last pack magic. Come on, Charmander. Have some luck. There's your code card. Fighting energy. Coming out with some Pokemon I didn't even know existed. Another one. Nice. That's not bad at all. I got 2 of them now. Let's see. That's not bad. Let's get its sleeves right on up. Let's go over the hits again. We got the Rotom with the Empoleon, and then the SIR. So, thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.